Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Beam coin. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type coinmarketcap.com. This will land you on the official website of CoinMarketCap where you are going to see this little search icon in the top. So you need to tap on the search icon and in the search bar, you will have to search for Beam. After that, you need to tap on Beam that market rank has 62. After selecting Beam, you are going to see the overview page of Beam where you just have to scroll down and here you are going to see its contract address. So you need to copy this contract address and if you scroll down a bit more, you are going to see all of the markets or basically all of the exchanges on which you can purchase Beam coin. If we talk about the centralized exchanges, then you can purchase it on Binance, Bybit, Gate.io, Huobi Global, etc. But if you want to get it on any decentralized exchange, then you can get it on PancakeSwap and Uniswap. So for this video, I'm going to tell you how you can purchase it on the centralized exchange such as Binance and how you can buy it on your wallet such as in your Trust wallet using PancakeSwap. So first, let's just open your Binance mobile application and then you just have to provide your email address and your password and then you simply need to log in into your account. Now over here, in order to purchase Beam coin, you need to tap on this search bar in the top and here you will have to search for Beam. After that, you need to tap on this search icon and then you are going to see a bunch of different pairs of BeamX coins such as BeamX/USDT and BeamX/Try. So you need to tap on the pair of BeamX/USDT and then you will be redirected on this page. Now over here you need to tap on buy button in the bottom and then you will be landed on this buy page where you are going to see its current price. Now over here you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase Beam coin. Then it will show you how much amount you are going to get. Then in order to buy it, you will have to tap on this buy BeamX button and then your order will be placed and you are going to purchase Beam coin on Binance. Now if you want to view your Beam coin, then you can tap on this wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and after tapping on spot, you are going to see your Beam coin over here. Now if you want to purchase it via PancakeSwap on Trust wallet, then you will have to launch your Trust wallet mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on this browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then you just have to scroll down and then tap on PancakeSwap. Once done, you just have to wait for some time until you are redirected on pancakeswap.finance. Now once you are on this page, the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your wallet with it. Now once you have successfully connected your wallet, you will have to select it as BNB. So after selecting it as BNB chain, you will have to now select the Beam coin. So you will have to tap on this drop arrow button and then in the search bar you will have to search for Beam. Once done, you are going to find Beam, so you will have to tap on import right next to it, then I understand and then import. Once done, you will have to enter the amount of BNB that you want to spend in order to purchase the Beam coin. After that, you will have to tap on the swap button in the bottom and after waiting for some time, the swap will be proceeded and you will be able to purchase Beam coin in your Trust wallet using PancakeSwap. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.